Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer YouTube description templates using Google Sheets, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Google Sheets in your web browser. Create a new spreadsheet by clicking on the blank option. In the first row, label your columns with the necessary headings, such as video title, description, and tags. In the video title column, enter the titles of your YouTube videos. In the description column, input the corresponding descriptions for each video. If you have specific tags for each video, fill those in the tags column. Format your text for better readability by using bold or italic styles where needed. Once you have entered all your details, review them for accuracy. Now, select the rows and columns that you want to copy. Right-click and choose Copy from the menu. Open a new tab and go to your YouTube studio. Navigate to the Content section on the left sidebar. Select the video for which you want to add the description. Click on the video to edit it and locate the description text box. Return to your Google Sheets and right-click in the selected cell to choose Paste. Adjust the formatting as necessary within the YouTube description box. For additional videos, repeat the process by selecting the next set of rows in Google Sheets. Continue to copy and paste descriptions for each video in your YouTube studio. After pasting all descriptions, review and save your changes on YouTube. This method will streamline the process of updating your video descriptions efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.